Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, I'm going to show you an example of a picture-perfect gap trade that was given out to my members at 9 o'clock in the morning, 30 minutes before the market even opened for business. This strategy is about gap trading and how gap trading is by far the single most consistent and profitable day trading strategy you're going to find across the markets today. I do a couple of things. The first one is I teach a course where traders learn two specific gap trading strategies. The first one is known as the morning gap trades. This is where stocks that are gapping higher or lower at the open create an opportunity. And the opportunity for traders is when they can identify a specific price where these stocks should first be drawn to, and then from those price levels have a reaction in the other direction. That's what we're looking at here on the screen in PBYA. I'm going to go over this chart in a minute, but first I want to get to the other thing I do, which is give traders an opportunity to get my gap trade sent to them each and every morning at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the markets even opened for business. Here's a copy of today's email. As you can see, it arrived at 9:02 a.m. and that's Eastern Standard Time. This morning, we had a short list of potential trades on the board. There were 5 possible gap trades. These are the high probability trades that are identified first thing in the morning. Any trader that's taken my course is able to come up with the same exact price levels you see here. It was a little quiet in terms of pre-market trading this morning. It's Friday morning and that tends to happen, but we did have one stock that came into its level today and had a tremendous rip higher. That was Puma Biotech, PBYA. Gap lower. Support levels are $99.88, and then I even gave 2 secondary levels if the stock were to trade even lower than that, which it hasn't. Stop and profit target is about 50 cents to 95 cents. These are minimum profit targets. This list is comprised of the premium opportunities for the day, and we only want to take the trades that come into the price levels that we learn how to calculate in the course at Lazy Gap Trader. When a stock does not come in to the high probability price level, it's a no trade. We don't want it. We only want the highest probability trade setups we can find. Now we're back on the chart of Puma Biotech, and as you'll see, yesterday the stock closed all the way up at $127 a share. The stock was getting a pretty decent haircut at the open. It gapped lower, qualifying for one of our morning gap trades, and it began to trade sideways most of the day until it began to break lower, coming into our $99.88 level that was identified at 9 o'clock in the morning, 30 minutes before the opening bell even rang. At the time the stock came into our price level that we specified that any trader that's taken my course was able to identify, it was down about $27 from yesterday's close. We pinpointed the low almost to the penny. The stock made a low in this candle here of $99.65, just pennies below the $99.88 level. Immediately following hitting that specific price level, the stock ripped higher, and just minutes later, we were already at a high of $107.35 for more than a $7 gain in about 40 minutes worth of trading. How many traders do you know that can pick out a price level $27 below the prior day's closing price, hit it almost to the penny, and have a significant bounce higher? This is exactly and precisely what's taught in my course at Lazy Gap Trader. Everything you need to know in order to trade the gap successfully is found in the course. What stocks do this work the best with? What type of volume criteria are we looking for? Most importantly, how do you calculate the specific price where a stock will first be drawn to like a magnet and then have a price reaction from in the other direction? All that and a whole lot more is taught in the course at Lazy Gap Trader. Folks, This is a strategy that you can use each and every day for the remainder of your trading career. If you want to learn everything there is to know about how to trade the gaps successfully, then come over to check out the course at Lazy Gap Trader, and I'll teach you everything you need to know in order to make this a successful endeavor. With me, no question ever goes unanswered. I'm here to help traders become successful with their day trading. I'm David Frost, Lazy Gap Trader. Thanks for tuning in, folks.